How to add Target RedCard to mobile wallet. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can add Target RedCard to mobile wallet such as Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Unfortunately, you cannot add your Target RedCard, debit or credit card to Apple Wallet, Google Wallet or other similar digital wallet, since these cards are not supported for the NFC or contactless payments. So in that case, what you have to do is alternatively you can use the Target application itself. The Target offers a built-in wallet features with its mobile application that will let you save your rate card, add card will offers, coupons and gift card, and also generate a dynamic barcode. So to add your rate card to the Target app wallet, all you have to do is install it, open the Target application. So head over to your Play Store. You could search for a Target application, and then open it in your device. So once you open the Target application, sign in into the Target account and then head over to the wallet section. At the bottom, tap on the wallet, then make sure that you choose the option as add payment with a plus button. Then you have to select your Target rate card and enter your detail. After that, you have to verify by entering your rate pin. Verify your rate card pin, so just enter it once. If the verification fails, make sure that your internet connection is working properly. And if you want to use your card during the checkout piece, you have to open up Target application wallet and scan your digital barcode. After that, the discount will be applied automatically. So that's how you can use your Target rate card digitally, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.